Hello guys, today we're gonna make a tutorial about an excellent plugin that I found. It's a new plugin, it's called Pvptitles. If you were looking for a plugin that you want to give your players a rank or a prestige that can be shown in the chat, this is a plugin that you were looking for. Pvptitles. It's simple and very customizable plugin that can give your players in the chat a prestige that you can customize by yourself with how many points they will get, the second prestige or the second title if you want to call it, and what will be the name of the title that you want to give your players depending on the points that they are getting. So let's see, this is the plugin, this is the main room. It's called Pvptitles. This is the command all permissions that the players can have. This is the OP commands. If you want, in this first three, you can see Pvptitles, Pvp rank. It shows your rank. This is for to use the plugin. And Pvp ladder. This Pvp ladder is, it shows you, as it says, the top 5 players. This is for the ops. If you want to set a rank and make a rank or purge a rank or reload the plugin, this I'm going to show you inside the configuration file that this one has. Let's start with the configuration file. This is a configuration file of your game. This is the latest version 2.11. It has metrics true, alert if you want the update true, automatic update for the plugin. You can use it in a multi-word. You can put the chat true or false, leave it false, it shows the title, all the words. Award points, in which world you want this plugin to work. So I leave it to false to use it on all my words. A list of words that your plugin you want to use or not used. It has a leaderboard per signs. The refresh time is 1 minute. It goes in minutes. It has a command called purge. This command is a good command that sometimes you will need it or not. With this command, it erases, automatically the data of older players more than 20 days. In this second line, no purge, you can write the names of the players that never can be deleted, even if you run this command or not. I'm not using it in my here. For me, I have put 200 days ago. Also has the kill strike that you will see in other plugins. It's the maximum deaths of a player during the time L. What is a time L? It's anti-harm protections that it says here. And after the 3 kills, you cannot kill for 5 minutes the same player. This is necessary to clean the deaths made by player in second. It's a very good thing if you want to use it or not. If you have it in another plugin, you can leave it like this, or you can put the kills over here from 3 to 300. If another plugin is using this kill strike harm protection, but also you can find it in this plugin. Okay, now we're going to over here. You can see a modificator. What is this modificator? This modificator, you can use it for this plugin inside. It's a modificator by any stage of your ranks that your player gets. With this modificator, as you see in this example over here, at the second title you had only 1 kill, so 1 kill with a percentage of 0.25, the kill goes to upwards to 2. So this transforms the upwards, the 1 kill to 2 kills. You can change this to 0.0. If you don't want to mix, if you want to mix, you can leave it like this. You can use the kill strikes again up here. Now we're going to chat. Okay, inside the chat you will see the title of every player depending on the rank that is getting. The full customizable of this plugin is that you can also rename the tag. You can call it fame here, you can call it rank here, you can call it prestige here, you can change it to anything that you want. Prefix color, all you are in the chat and you're writing to somebody else and you see that his prestige, you can change this one to green, to blue, to red. You can find the names for here in where he has configurations about it. Well, yes, here is his configuration, you see of that. Yeah, this is the prefix color. You can write the prefix color as that wonderful guy is putting over here the names to change it, to see what kind of prefix color you want your ranks to display when you write in the chat. Okay, back. This is the number of players, top 5 players. When you use the command PvP ladder over here, okay, you can see in the chat the first top 5 players. Okay, over here is the prefix in the chat, where you can replace it with any type. If you don't want to use it, you can leave it like this. If you are using a chat plugin, you can leave it like this. It's not necessary to change it. And now we're going to the most wonderful and useful place of this plugin. So, the most customizable name that it says, simple and customizable. It says the truth. This is the ranks that you can put it by yourself. In his plugin, it has automated this one for you. The first rank is non-hero, fierce hero, mighty hero, deadly hero, terrifying hero. Okay, and here is the points that you take and changing your rank, your prestige or title, whatever you call it. Okay, but it's customizable. Over here to show it how I use it in my server, I have changed it to rookie, soldier, corporal, surgeon, level 6, level 7, level 8 captain, level 9 captain, level 10 major. This is my configuration I have in my server. This is what it comes for automated with the plugin. And you can also change in what points you can take. You can have only the 5 one. The first 5 one, and you have to do only the first 5 one of this. Okay, it's fully customizable. You can make it whatever you want. So let's leave from here and let's go straight back to see the real-time game. Okay, in the real-time game, well, this is my game right here. Let's make it bigger. I want to say hi to somebody, and I'm saying hi. As you see down there, I am a level 8 captain. My name is Spike. I'm just a player, and I say hi. Okay, how are you? Again, level 8 captain, Spike 66 player. Yeah, over here, that's my rank. That's my name, and I'm a player on the server. I'm not an owner or admin or something like this. I left myself to be a player. Okay, so that's it. That's a wonderful place. So I'm going to show you right now how pretty. This is my Call of Minecraft server, right? This is my wall of fame or wall of prestige. This is my Call of Minecraft top 15 players that I use the sign that this plugin is giving me. As you see, I have flexible and customizable the top of my sign. It's called Call of Minecraft top 15 players. As you see, you can make the color any type of color you want. You can make bold or underline the letters, and I'm going to show you. This is my 9 of the 15 that I put up there that I have is a testing server. This is 9 guys that played only to test this server. It's I don't know, it's unbelievable. That guy did an excellent work. I'm going to show you what I mean. Before I put a sign, I'm going to show you how customizable is also the signs. Okay, let's go in the directory. Directory over here, it's a directory that it's happening when you put the plugin in your server. It also has the messages. This is the messages YML, the messages that it's opening. You can change the message to any kind of message that you want. Okay, we're going now to models. What this txt do? Okay, I'll open it and explain you what it do. This txt is a customizable how to make signs. Over here is full explanation. It's a list of variables that you can use on the sign. Okay, it's the main, player, the variables, the fame, position, example, model name and quantity, and underneath it's the variable. It's better to show you right now. It has fully explaining how you're going to put it. So I'm going to show you the 3 or 4 basic. Okay, just a minute to fix it. I have a mistake here. It's 15 I said. I'm going to show you what it means. When you're creating something like this, it's the way that it's going to automatically generate the signs in your game. This is the basic one, which has the top 3 players. It's main, position. I use the dot over here because in the next update our friend is going to fix the spaces between the words, so the space is not working yet. So right now I'm using the dot to generate the space between the names. So we have the basic one. You don't use, when you're writing on the sign, you don't use over here this sign. You just take the name, basic 1. And the number 3, you can put it by yourself. You can put 3, 5, 4, 6, 9, 15, 10, and you can call it anything you want. Here I'm calling it advanced with 10. I can call it basic 4. I can change it right now. I can change it right now, and when I put on the sign the name basic, basic 4, sorry, it's going to recreate me a sign with the basic 4 sign with 10 players inside. This is the first line, okay? The second line, the main. Here is making automated main, or you can change it by yourself. Okay? I mean, when you put on the sign like this, I want to show you how you do it. Okay? You put the sign like this, okay? And you write Pvptitles, sorry, titles, and then you put basic 1. It generates automatically the top 3 players. Okay, this is the top 3 players, you see, as we had over here. Sorry, the basic 1, as we say over here. It's basic 1, top 3 players. We put the number 3 over here. Main, it's the name top 3 that it's getting automatically. Position, point, player, bracket, fame, bracket. You see that? So what we have in the game over here, you see the name, it's 1 point, the name of the player, bracket 294, the points, and again bracket. The second one is spike 66. Position, point, second position, spike 66, bracket 232 the point fame. You see, as we write it over here, position point to make the space, player bracket fame is the number of points bracket. That's the first example. Now we go into the second example. This second example is more sophisticated. On the first line we can customize it what to see. We want to be with color and bold, so we have these signs over here to write top 5 and lines, and then we use the separator. What this separator is over here says, this indicates a new sign auto-created on the right side, and the line and this one indicates a line break on the sign. That means that over here we have one sign that says top 5 on the right to be the name of player, okay, separated on the first sign, separate the two lines with this one indicator, and this one indicator, it separates the right sign. Okay, let's see the basic two. Underneath is the position, and over here again on the right side is the player. So you will see it right now. I'm going to call it Pvptitles basic 2. Done. You see what's happened? As we said, oops, top 5 players, and here the second sign is the name of the player, right? And underneath the first line is the position, and underneath over here is the name. First, you can see there is no score points. Okay, why there is no score points? Because it's simple. As we write over here, we use only the player name. This is a 2 by 2, okay, and it depends automatically generated down of the next signs. Now we're going to this. This is the most sophisticated that I have made for my server. It's called Basic 3. I have put this one over here, slash call of Minecraft slash top 15 players. That means that I have only one sign as main sign, and underneath of it I have position, player, and number of kills. But I have an also extra sign, position, player, number of kills. Why I used 2 times with the separation of this? Because I want to make one main sign customizable by colors, and then make 2 columns of signs with the same thing. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going over here. It's simple. If you wanted to destroy one, the only thing you have to do is just hit it like this, and it's gone. Magically, it's gone. So let's start. We called Pvptitles, okay, and we have the basic 3, right? Oh yeah, it says 4 by 1 block. I have to go a little upper because I have too many players in this one. Okay, I asked this sign to call me 15 players, so the sign automatically understands that he needs a space of 15 players. So Pvptitles basic 3, and that's it. It generates call of Minecraft. As I say, it's full customizable with blue, bold, and then top 15 players, as I say over here, line, blue and bold call of Minecraft, top 15 players, and again line, and separate this to make the lines on the sign. I have this slash and this slash to understand that this is my first line, this is my second line, this is my third line, and the fourth line of the main sign. And underneath I need two columns, as I say, post, position, player, and number of points, and a second column which I can put how many columns as I want. Okay, position, again player, and how many points. I have the first one, the second one, and then I said I don't want one column, I want two columns, right? So it put me in the two columns. Okay, this is a great plugin, man. Fully customizable even on his signs. This one, the advanced, is gonna give me 1, 2, 3 columns of signs. Let's see that one again. Let's click this off and click this off, because I didn't reload the plugin or the server right now, so it's caused me that mistake. Let's put the advanced over here. Pvptitles advance. Alright, you see, we ask it to give us 3 columns. It generates 3 columns automatically. It says the main, the name, and the fame. Fame means the number of points. Okay, that's it right now, guys. This is a wonderful plugin. As we said, we need the name, and the fame, position, player, points. That's it, guys. This is a wonderful plugin. It has everything you want inside here. You can give your players anything you want, from a prestige and a title, fully customizable. This guy has done an excellent work. I thank him. I thank his friendship also, and everything you need, you have to just go in his page and download this plugin. It's an excellent, a wonderful plugin. Bye bye all, guys, from me. Thank you very much. It's called Pvptitles, so you can find it over here right now. Bye bye.